We are going to capture anyone who go to radio station and talk nonsense about our leader and Mazi Simon Ekpa, Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my wonderful people, you are highly welcome. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are welcome, and don't forget to give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload any video, you will be the first person to get am. No be small thing o. The matter wey we get for hand today na be one Biafra Liberation Army don come outside para for one video. Talk say they go after anybody wey be say they go for radio station, go sit down, they talk nonsense. They tell them the way they should follow the freedom, and he also ask them a question: why the time they are peaceful, walking in the street with one flag, and at a time the Nigeria terrorist police and the army start unleashing start being aggressive to them. So at a point of time, they kill so many people in the protest. So it's asking a question: why just journalists are not talking about it? So now they have chosen to bear arm. So, and a set of people are sitting on television to talk against them. So this is where his anger is coming from, and they say they are going to visit them very soon. So let's play you the video where you watch, and we'll come back and continue.
Because some of you, believe you me, we will start visiting you. That radio station or television station that you were to talk that garbage, we will visit them. And we will find you in your house. We will bring you to come and explain to the whole world, how do we get here? How do we get here? Before you begin to say terrorists, they are this, how did they become terrorists? I just want to take my time this evening so that you will also tell me your own point of view. The idiot talk nonsense. I capture his face. I have already begun the research of where he is, his family. There were 4 in that studio. I will post their video. I've already start my research. We will find them so that they will tell us, how do we get here? We were very peaceful. The only weapon our supreme leader was having then, that is still having now, that is hand over to the prime minister, is truth, nothing but the truth. And he say, I will destroy Nigeria with only truth, nothing but the truth. Reason because we are whiter than white, and we are whiter than snow. And everything he was saying was fact and vigor. Nothing was found to be lies. What do you do? What did Nigeria do? The peaceful protests, unharmed people. Nigeria military, Nigeria police begin to lay ambush on us on the road and open fire. Why? Because many of our governors decide to declare us shoot aside. They start shooting us for no just reason. Who are the people you are shooting? The people that do not even have any single weapon in their hand, and you just come on the middle of the road and you begin to open live bullets on them. You rain live bullets on them. And at the end, you will see pursue those who see escape death and capture them and go and dump in the prison. As I am talking to you now, there are many, more than thousands of Biafran youth that are still in different prisons in Nigeria that were arrested since 2014, 2015 till now. That have never one day been tried in the court. Go and do your finding. What is their crime? Because then say, I don't want to be in Nigeria. If I should be in Nigeria, give me a chance to decide through referendum. That become a crime. That become a problem. As if that was not okay. What happened again? The Nigeria police begin to nowhere to be found. And the worst part is that when they got you arrested, and when your people go to the station, they will say they don't have any case about you, they don't know anything about you, you can never know where they take you. Nobody will know where they take you to. And if any mean be for them to sell your kidney, they will just bring you out and kill you because nobody know where they took you. Nobody will ever come to ask of you. Some of them is even boasting. They used to boast. Like when they were getting some of us arrested, they say, you are gone and you are gone forever. Your people can never even know where. They will never even come to you. How do we get here? Must answer this question. How we get here? And then, as that was not due, our criminal governors gather and proscribe us, a terrorist group. What are those things that make a group a terrorist? It is those who create chaos to the society, destroying livelihood and life of the society. Were we doing any of this? The answer is no. Were we kidnapping people, killing people, destroying property? The answer is no. Were we ever bomb anywhere? The answer is no. Then why do you proscribe us a terrorist group or organization? And the whole war was silent. The people that called themselves learned, the people that called themselves learned, gather with their stupidity in their head called wit. And they say, IPOB is a terrorist organization. And they begin to bribe the whole world to accept their pronouncement. And because the war is evil, some will agree and some refuse. Most of the African countries buy their crafts, their nonsense. How do we get here? That is the question. Then immediately they declare us terrorists. And they say that finish us. The next thing was to lead war to our supreme leader house and kill 34 people. Our leader used to say 28, but believe you me, it was 34 dead. We are talking about the one we see, we're counting. What about the one that jumped the fence that still died? What about the one that captured alive that is nowhere to be found today? What was our crime? You are now crying. Everything you bring upon yourself, we must follow you till the last, till the end. You see this war? This war you go explain tire. How do we get here? Or you think we will be keeping quiet, watching at you, killing us one after the other until you eliminate us finish? That was your plan. Then you are joking. You are joking. Now that we have gathered our pieces back and decided to defend our life from you, you are crying. Don't worry. We are just started. You have been dancing your own since 2015. See you 2022. Now is our turn. Fasten your seatbelt and enjoy the drive. Because we are going to be in a very high speed. Okay? It is our turn to dance. So just sit down and watch us dancing the dance you do not know how to dance. Because this dance is a dance of the spirit. Remember I told you that this is the land Chukwu Kikabiama gave to our forefather, our ancestors. The land of our ancestors that gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our father that hand over it to us. Do you see us? We must deliver this land to our children in a good faith, good condition, and in a good shape, without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain, and nothing you can do about it.
Okay, my wonderful people, you are welcome back. As you have watched that video and heard everything he said in this particular video, actually it's touching. But when you are explaining, people don't want to hear you. It's better you people take the right step. You know that will be better for you, and let the world begin to judge. And this is the world we are living today. No be smart, you know. Oh yeah, my people, as you don't listen to Ram, I beg, I need your own contribution for everything when you say from the beginning to end. So what is your own opinion, and what do you think? That is it another way they should do it? Or is if you're telling them to continue the way they are doing it now, or yeah, right, make them continue. Anything where you wish them to do, may you drop them for comment section. No be small thing. They say who never go, now you never know. So the message has been sent to the people who are going to radio station to talk. So if you are the one that are talking about, now you can know. So my people, now so we see I'm here, and I will say more bring up, come give on. Now may you stay tuned. A lot of update is coming today. See you in the next update. I beg, don't forget to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link is always below this video on Facebook. Thank you.